important.
So let's discuss why online privacy matters.
Online privacy, also known as internet or digital privacy, refers to the protection and control of an individual's personal information while using the internet.
In this digital age, we share a lot of personal information online, from our names and address to our shopping habits and even our locations. Why do we need to protect our privacy online?
One of the privacy reasons to protect online privacy is to safeguard personal data from the cyber threats.
Cybercriminals exploit sensitive information such as credit cards details, password, and health records for identity theft, frauds, and other malicious purposes.
Loser.
How can we protect our privacy online?
Here are some steps you can take to protect our online privacy.
First is to use a strong password. Create unique password for each account and change them regularly. Implement two-factor authentication for an added layer of security.
The second one is limit data sharing. Be mindful of the personal information you share online. Avoid oversharing on social media platforms or providing unnecessary details to websites.
The third one is adjust privacy settings. Regularly review and update the privacy settings on social media accounts, browsers, and apps to restrict access to personal data.
Fourth one is avoid phishing scams. Be cautious with suspicious email or links from unknown senders. Verify authenticity of communications before sharing sensitive information.
So the last one is secure communications. Ensure home networks are protected with strong password and WPA authentications. Avoid using public Wi-Fi without a VPN.
By implementing this strategy, you can significantly improve your online privacy and security. Remember that online privacy is one ongoing process requiring vigilance and adaptations to evolving trends.